So we've logged into the GUI. Let's have a quick look at how to move around inside it. We have here the control panel with a number of buttons on it which vary according to what features are in play at the time and what mode you're in. But the control panel always sits at this top left hand side, and underneath it here we have, in this case, 2 rows of icons which represent what we call devices, which are typically representing inputs and outputs from the TerOpta GEM units. In my case here I have 2 rows of icons because I have 2 TerOpta GEM units in my network. Now, it's not so easy to see them when they're zoomed out like that, so let's be the first thing that we do is to try and zoom in. So there's a pair of buttons here with a plus and a minus symbol on. So if I click first of all on the plus button, it will zoom me in, and if I click on the minus button, it will zoom out. At any point I can move my cursor over the desktop here and it turns into a little hand, and I can click and drag and I can move everything around. If I have a mouse with a wheel on, I can use the wheel to zoom in and out as well. So I can just zoom into the right sort of level, move the icons to where I want them to be, and I can see everything more clearly. If at any stage I want to get back to a default level of zoom, if I click on the 1-to-1 button, that goes to a default level. But probably a more useful thing to do actually in many cases is to hit the fit button. And hitting the fit button sizes the background to the right size for the browser that you happen to be using. So in the next video we'll have a bit more of a look at what the other buttons on the control panel do.